Dear all, we welcome to all of you in RV Agroworld's Kisan Samruddhi Abhiyan's Paris Geomrut filter machine installation video. Now we are going to start Geomrut filter machine installation process, which start from water inlet, then Geomrut outlet, then micro flash outlet, then backwash outlet, then stirrer fitting, and at the end sand filling process. At first stage, we have to use Teflon tape on tank connector of water inlet. Thereafter, we have to fit FTA 63 mm on this Teflon tape covered place. While fitting the FTA, our left hand should be stick with tank connector so that it should not lose while fitting FTA. Thereafter, we will use adhesives or solution on 1 feet length 63 mm pipe upper side and inner side of FTA where we are fitting this pipe. After this, we have to fit ball valve 63 mm. While fitting this ball valve, we have to use adhesives or solutions while fitting the same. From this water inlet, we have to take water in by force of motor on 1st, 5th and 7th day while making the Jivamrut. At second stage, we have to fit Jivamrut outlet valve. From here we are getting out filtered Jivamrut on 5th, 7th and 9th day, which we have to store separately at another side, which we are getting out by gravity. At first stage, Teflon tape we have to use on Jivamrut outlet tank connector, and then we have to fit 25 mm small ball valve. While fitting this valve, we have to stick our left hand on Jivamrut outlet tank connector so that it should not be loose. At third stage, we have to fit micro flash valve. While fitting this valve, at initially we have to use Teflon tape on micro flash tank connector. Thereafter, we have to fit FTA 63 mm on this Teflon tape as done earlier. While fitting this FTA, our left hand should be stick with tank connector so that it should not be loose. After this, we have to use adhesives or solutions. Then should we have to fit 1/5 length pipe 63 mm. Thereafter, we have to fit 63 mm ball valve with applying adhesives or solutions as done earlier. We have to open this micro flash valves or cork for 30 seconds every times whenever we are taking inside water from this inlet so that small particles of cow dung will get out from this side, if any. At fourth stage, we have to fit backwash, that is backwash valve, from where we are getting out Ghana Jivamruta on 9th day at the end of Jivamrut cycle of 8 days. This backwash ball valve we have to fit as micro flash ball was fitted earlier. At fifth stage, we have to fit stirrer from upper side of Jomrut filter tank. At the sixth or last stage, we have to fill up sand of 9 mm big size from the stirrer side holes of filter and 6 mm small size sand from Jomrut outlet side holes. Before filling the sand, we have to get sand cleaned by water and then should you have to fill and then get balanced by stick. If you want any support, then please contact to RV Agroworld on mobile number 922 530 6172 or 8956 233 495. Thank you.